Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and I'm going to do an unboxing because I've just received my March Creative Kit club from Uniquely Creative, and the collection this month is called Colour Crush, and it is gorgeous. Soft pastels, watercolour look. Oh, it's stunning. I'm going to start with the papers and then I will move through to what else was in the kit and some extras that I got as well. Alright, so this is a little information half piece that you always get in the collection with the collection name, and then a sample of all the papers in the collection. And then when you turn it over, there's always cutter parts on here. So if you're a fussy cutter, you may not use these, but I don't mind a bit of fussy cutting, and I appreciate the extra embellishments that are in the kit. So they're always really handy, and you can see the color palette in this. It's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Alright, so our first piece of paper is called Pastel Dreams, and it's like a pie chart of the same pattern paper but in the different colors. And you've got your yellow, green, mauve, or blue, cornflower blue, a mauve, another blue, and then another slightly different to that, or it might be the same, cornflower blue, and then pink. And then you've got these watercolor like paint strokes around the edges. Really cool. And the reverse side looks like textured type paint that's been applied like with a palette knife. When you apply like your texture medium with a palette knife, and you get the edge of it in all different colors. So that's the first page. And then we have, and you get two of each sheets, so you know, light and bright. And it's got like newspaper print on the back that you put like gesso on, and then some other mixed media on it. And it's got like a white, I guess like it doesn't look textured, but it's like if you had gesso, however you pronounce it, over the top. Is really nice. And then the reverse side of that one is this beautiful ombre, and it's got like stars on it. Really, really pretty, very delicate and pastel. And then we've got this gorgeous watercolor heart with again some like paint strokes around it. Beautiful. And then the other side of that one is again a beautiful pastel, just it's got like lighter in the middle, and I don't know how to describe it. It's got they're not paint strokes, but yeah, anyway, I don't know how to describe that one. And here we have Dazzling Delight, and it has a, you know, obviously a circular effect on it with bunches of flowers and then paint strokes behind them. The odd butterfly as well, really pretty. And then the reverse of this is a beautiful blue, like clouds or watercolor type of effect. Then we've got Glowing Up, which is all these beautiful floral bunches, really pretty. And then, oops, on the other side of that is plain pink, beautiful pink. And then we have a sheet of tags or tucking pieces, I guess. It's called Vibrant, all different. You've got brush strokes, and then like lines of brush stroke. Why am I saying so much? Gosh. Some script with watercolor look and flowers, some of the like a starred look, just some print with watercolor over the top, really pretty, all different. And then on the reverse we have beautiful like oh, here we go with the it looks like you've used a stencil and done like an ombre of the colors. Very, very pretty. Then we have one called Full Spectrum, all flowers in the different colors of the palette of the collection. Very nice. And then on the reverse of that we have this beautiful watercolor effect, pinks, blues, a hint of like your tealy green there. Very nice. And then the last one is, I think, the Radiant Life, which is your cut apart sheet. Lots of embellishments and bits and pieces on here. Some titles. I like the mason jars. Sorry, I was just yawning. I like the mason jars with the brushes. They're really cool. And then the reverse side is a ombre stripe, pastel, beautiful colours, and the paint spots, I guess, is what they are. So that's the paper collection. Very nice. Colour Crush. Right, so what else was in the kit? We got this really cool overlay of a colour wheel, which works really great for a lot of this. Oh, I'm so sorry, I keep yawning. It's a bit smaller than the one on this bit of paper, but you know what else it would work really well with is, where's that other one that just had the flowers on it? I think it's further along, this one. It would also work great on this one, or use it totally differently, however you want. There's just, you know, 2 pages that it can work on. So that's really cool. I don't have many overlays, so that's interesting. Right, and then we have a sheet of tags on watercolor paper, and you've got flowers as well. So you can cut these out and decorate them how you like and make them an element on your pages, or you could even use one as a heading. Just decorate it, and yeah, it'd be really pretty. So they're the watercolor tags. And then of course you always get the Creative magazine, and lots of great ideas and tips and beautiful, gorgeous layouts by the team. And then on the back you always get a sneak peek of what's coming in the next month. And oh yeah, nice. I'm not going to show you because you've got to actually get the magazine to be able to see it. Right, and what else we got in the kit was a packet of rub-ons, and these are all like craft themed. So you've got Make Beautiful Art, Coffee, Craft and Repeat, I'm crafting today. They are really cool. Then we have the packet of creative cuts, and lots of words in here as well. Big titles, smaller words, and lots of really cool elements. There's like a paint palette, round paint palette, and then like a wheel or a circle of the flowers. Lots of floral clusters by the look of it. A pencil, paintbrush, lots in there. I don't know how many are in there. I don't think it tells me, but there's lots. And then we also got an essential ephemera pack, which has shapes in what appears to be like a watercolor paper, as well as, I think they're fabric. Oh, I'm going to have to take them out. Oh, 16 watercolor cardstock tags with sticky backs. That is way cool. So they are adhesive. 24 cotton fabric shapes with sticky backs. Oh, how cool is that? So you can decorate them, use watercolor on them, or paint or whatever you want, stamp on them, and then you just peel them off and stick them on, and then twine. Like, so if you wanted to make a banner or something, it's also got 2 meters of natural twine. That's pretty cool. And you've also got the little circles that go on the tags. So this tag, for example, the arch one, has the circle, so it also has the ring. You know, like the old foolscap paper. This is showing my age now, but when I was in high school, we didn't use like notebooks. It was all foolscap paper that you wrote on, and then you put it in a big like binder, and you had every subject in the one folder basically. Yeah, so that's showing my age. So you used to be able to buy boxes of them, or like these boxes like these, and they had the bits that go around, the reinforcers that went around the holes. And yeah, I used to love reinforcing my papers. That was quite cool. Very mundane and boring, but I used to love sticking the things on the holes. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Anyway, so it comes with them as well. And then we have the vellum creative cuts, which I think are all floral this time around. So I don't know how many there are in here, but there's a lot and they go a long way. and I absolutely love them. I love the vellum cuts. Yeah, so lots of florals and leaves for tucking. Beautiful, love them. So, and the other thing we got in the kit was a new product that they have just brought out, and it's pigment powders. Now, years and years and years ago, when I was with Stampin' Up, they had pigment powders come out as well, and I never really played with them much because I found them hard to use on cards. Like, to me, greeting cards, I never used to use much mixed media on them, so I struggled to use these things. But now, on scrapping, I can see backgrounds made with these will be absolutely stunning. So they gave us one, I don't know if everyone got the same colour, but it's rose pink pigment powders. And I think I'm going to have a play with this and, yeah, come up with some different ideas on how to use this. So looking forward to playing with that. So they gave us one of them, but they also gave us a swatch sheet. So this is all the colours that they have so far in those pigment powders, and this gives you an idea, you know, to collect them, and then you can see what they all look like, because I'm sure things in a bottle come out a different colour when you actually use them. So I do remember seeing a video by Uniquely Creative. I will tag or I'll link below their YouTube channel, as I'm pretty sure they did a video on how to use these, and I remember her saying a little bit goes a long way. So it will be a learning curve, but they're in cute little bottles. So yeah, anyway, got them. And then the extras I bought were a couple of dies. I haven't used dies for a long time, and I need to get back and play with them because I have a lot. So I got this one that says art and craft, and I know, you know, I could buy a alphabet die that has the inside and the outside, but I thought, well, they're really expensive, and I don't know if I could be bothered doing every single letter, like making words. That's very time consuming, and I know I have a Cricut that'll do it for me as well, but sometimes it's just like I go through my dies when I want to use them, and I go, oh, I haven't used that one for a while, I'll pull that out and then I'll use it. Like, I don't know if I'm explaining it properly, but anyway, I bought these. They're really cool. They're only like $18 so each, so they're really cool. And this one says fun and play, so I bought them as well. So when you subscribe to the Creative Kit, there's always extras that you can add on to your kit, so that's how I came up with getting them. And I'll also link below their website so that you can see all the kits, the subscriptions that they have available. And once all the kits are made up for the people who subscribe, then they'll have extras or what's available on their website for you to purchase a product. So I just wanted to have a look through here and show you the title. So there's one, that's the fun and play that I bought in the die. So you can see that there, and the outline is all together and you just pop the letters in. So I think that is really cool. And then here they've used just the outline, the fun outline. So I don't want to give this all away what's in here, because I think this is, you got to buy this unless you get unless you're a subscriber. And there's the art and craft one, which is really cool. Alright, anyway, so that is March's collection from Uniquely Creative. I'll have the links below. If you have liked this, please give me the thumbs up. I'm sorry I haven't actually done any videos for a few days. We had Cyclone Alfred come through, and then it was like, before that it was prepping for that and then recovering from that, and it's just taken me a little bit to feel like doing anything, and now I've got a foot injury, so that's also slowing me down. Anyway, hope to be back in the next couple of days with some more layouts. I'm still trying to do the 30 days of sketches and doing a miserable job of that. I think I've done 4 days so far, and today is like the 11th. So anyway, alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.